It's kind of seamless. Earlier it was only accounting, it was to happen in Tally. Now the entire process is driven out of Odoo.
But recently we saw the power in Odoo and we transitioned from, we thought, okay, Odoo is the way to go. And almost all our app development right now is happening in Odoo.
Hello everyone, so Hasini here from Odoo India. Today on the occasion of Odoo Community Days, we have one of our valued customer from the Isha Foundation, the members of IT team. So I would like to welcome them. Welcome sir. So today they are going to share their Odoo journey with us, that how they have onboarded with the Odoo and how Odoo helped them to scale up their business as well. So yes, let's get into it. So hi sir, how are you doing?
Yes,
Good.
fantastic.
You're doing good. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you so much. So today, as you have joined here in the Odoo Community Days, how you are feeling today?
Oh yes, this event has been very well organized. The first thing that is we observe is the youthful faces, the energy. I think the average age would be probably under 24. Odoo attracting a lot of young talent, young energy is good. Augurs well for Odoo, augurs well for India as well. Yeah, the sessions are all pretty well organized too. First day on the keynote address, both the top leadership emphasize that how India is a booming economy, a lot of entrepreneurship happening around.
This is the first time you are attending?
Oh yes, this is our first time.
Okay.
And we were just hopping on from one session to another. There is a range of sessions.
Yes.
So what we have realized is we just have scratched the surface of Odoo. Looks like we have a lot to learn. There is a lot to explore on Odoo, which is a fantastic thing.
So thank you for joining us, and also I would like to start with a little bit about the foundation, about your company. How did you started? What is your journey? And then how did you come across to Odoo?
So we are from Isha Foundation. We are from the Isha Foundation IT team. Isha Foundation is a non-profit organization founded by Sadhguru Jagdish Vasudev. He's a yogi, visionary, mystic, pretty well-known, renowned speaker, invited in some of the major events across the globe. Sadhguru has dedicated his life for the raising human consciousness, for human well-being. Major initiatives like social outreach programs. Yoga is our core, spirituality is the core. Apart from that, we have a lot of social outreach programs across environment, where we do Kaveri calling and safe soil movements. A lot of social outreach projects around health, Isha Vidya, which is for education. So range of areas. Everything all boils down to raising human consciousness and the way we want to, the humans should lead a life, right? And which is also aligning with the Odoo top leadership's goal. I mean, a better humanity for the world, right? So win-win for both of us. 8+ billion people across the globe, and reaching out to all of them to scale this up. We can't do this manually. We need technology. And in Isha Foundation, we rely heavily on technology, and we are a high-tech spiritual organization.
That is great.
Yeah, and IT plays a big role, automation plays a big role, and we have a range of IT infrastructure, IT platforms, Java, a lot of other major frameworks, cutting edge technologies, and we are into AI as well, subtitles and other videos. All these are leveraged through AI. We transitioned from all applications. In Isha IT, we used to have range of platforms for app development, application developments, catering to business, right? But recently, we saw the power in Odoo, and we transitioned from, we thought, okay, Odoo is the way to go. And almost all our app development right now is happening in Odoo, right? Various flavors, community edition, enterprise edition, various versions, 15, 17, 18, and so. And yeah, various platforms, Odoo SH, AWS, on-premise hosting, etc. Yeah. So Odoo plays a critical role, and we are thankful to all you guys. Thank
Yes,
you. Yeah.
thank you very much. So yes, as you have mentioned that you have added all the versions like from community to the on-premise server. So there would be a long journey for the implementation as well, I guess. So how did your implementation journey went? How you have onboarded with Odoo?
Yeah, as Anna was saying, it was a long journey. We started with community, catering to a lot of our program requirements. Basically, Sadhguru, we host a lot of abroad programs as well as Indian programs, where there are easily we have around minimum 5,000 participants, usually in our programs, and to manage the entire program, to host the event, subscription for that event, managing the iterations of upgrades or downgrades or cancellations, and the reconciliations when the money is paid by the customers. All these were managed using community initially. Now, off lately, from past year or year and a half, we have implemented enterprise, where it's connected between community and enterprise, where both the system kind of manage the entire process. It's kind of seamless. Earlier, it was only accounting, where it was to happen in Tally. Now the entire process is driven out of Odoo by leveraging both community and enterprise. So that's on the program side of it. We also have Isha Life, where we sell a few amount of products, where that is also driven out of Odoo enterprise purely. We use purchase, inventory, all your core modules of manufacturing, accounting, sales, even POS. We have a few stores across ashram and even outside ashram. We are making the best use of Odoo.
Yes. So before using Odoo, what are the setbacks you have faced at that time? And then what was the right time you find that, okay, Odoo is the right software for us and we can completely transit from Tally to Odoo, or maybe from the other softwares to completely from Odoo?
We were, as the very genesis of Odoo talks about integrated platform, where you have multiple solutions in the same platform. That was our primary need to come to Odoo. And second was obviously the pricing. Pricing was very competent compared to big industry software like SAP or Microsoft Dynamics or Oracle or whatever. We had multiple applications. We had Tally, we had independent applications which we are using separately for managing independent processes. But now, why we came to Odoo was, as I said, the genesis of Odoo is to have the entire operations into one platform to get the leverage of integration. And Odoo easily integrates within its own applications and gets the best out of the platform that they've built.
Yeah, one of the major highlighters, initially we thought Odoo is a pretty monolithic app, which means it's like a one-stop solution, which is actually not good in terms of, if you talk about in IT industry, the design would be like multi-tiered architecture it would be, which means there could be range of platforms, range of infrastructure that we can go with, right? Application development will also be in different languages, best done by. This was a classic problem for Isha Foundation IT also earlier. There would be volunteers with some specified skill set. They will be into Java, they will write some Java application. They will be into Python, they will write some Python application, right? Now we wanted to consolidate the all skill-wise. We want to focus on particular framework, particular programming language, etc. And Odoo was a great boon for us. Yeah.
It is much compatible to do development with the easy UI UX, so it might have helped you on this part, I guess.
So we leverage more on community in that front, where to manage the volunteer crowd, we have built a separate application. To manage our travel bookings, we have a separate application. All within Odoo community.
Oh, that is great to know actually. Yes, I guess you are the one customers I have heard that you have built the applications in the community in that part.
Yeah.
Okay, that
Because
is.
there's no out-of-the-box application which available in the market for this kind of requirements.
Okay.
Usually, you have plenty of application which is industry-driven.
Yes.
Let's say SAP. If you go to that platform, you have a ONGC application which is for oil and natural gas. Trading application which works purely on trading. Or if there's a manufacturing industry, they build the entire end-to-end solutions on the manufacturing process.
Okay.
But for a non-profit organization, for a trust, the kind of work we do,
Yes.
I don't think there's a ready application that's available on the market.
Hmm.
So eventually people end up doing their own custom applications.
Okay.
But since we have Odoo as a platform where we can build our own applications, we have a database as Postgres in the backend, which will also, give us a lot of leverage.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us
Pleasure.
and sharing
Thank
your
you.
valuable journey with us.
Namaskar.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.